Experiencing keyboard lag when swiping down to use Spotlight Search on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? This issue is primarily software related, stemming from iOS 18's real time input processing and search indexing. Factors include input buffering delays, indexing overhead, and hardware integration quirks on ProMotion displays. The good news is you can likely fix it yourself. First, ensure you're on the latest iOS 18 update, as updates often contain bug fixes. Next, restart your iPhone. Clearing system caches can also help. If the problem persists, try resetting all settings via Settings General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. This clears corrupted Spotlight data without deleting personal data. If basic troubleshooting doesn't eliminate the lag, consider these advanced tips. Check your iPhone's storage. Low storage under 10 gigabytes free can cause performance issues. Offload unused apps to free up space. Disable Siri suggestions in Spotlight settings, as third-party integrations can sometimes amplify lag. To prevent future issues, avoid overloading your phone with beta apps. Also, be mindful of heavy multitasking, which can strain the processor. While Apple is working on AI-enhanced search in future iOS versions to improve performance, proactively managing your device's resources can minimize lag. In short, keeping your software updated, managing storage, and limiting unnecessary background processes are key to a smooth Spotlight search experience.